you. I'm trying to get your attention. Can I come close? I don't know how to play this. Our hands touch once or twice, feeling kind of hypnotized. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe
You could be living anywhere in the world. Plants or greens from that area will always be there to accompany you. No matter how harsh the weather conditions are, we can always do something to save them, or rather have them by our side. Back in Germany, I was used to moving all the plants indoors when it would snow. Contrarily, here in India, I am bringing all the plants indoors, trying to protect them from the scorching summer heat that is approaching. Bringing the whole balcony garden setup inside can seem a little bizarre to some, but I like to think of it as bringing life and freshness inside the four concrete walls.
Be a little brave. So take a look around you. How far can you see? How far do you think you can run? Standing on your knees. It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. Oh, it's a beautiful world out there. And just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. Oh, if you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there.
This house fortunately gets a lot of sunlight, so after observing the best spot for the stand, I decided to go ahead with the idea. The change of things in a way breaks the monotony of not only physical spaces but also of life. Well, for this video, we will be looking at how the ordinary physical space turns into an extraordinary one by the end of it. At the same time, I get an opportunity to indulge in my favorite activity of home decor. Today, the intention of this video is not only to show home decor aspect of it, but also to mention how pursuing an activity like so can make one feel so refreshed and rejuvenated by the end of it. I say this because for those few hours, all I am doing is listening to myself, bringing acknowledgement. letting my creative juices flow, which brings newness, and at the same time, successfully executing all the ideas that come to my mind, bringing achievement. The end result, however it may be, is always satisfying because of the hard work I put in and the time that I utilized so perfectly.
Wish I could solve your problems. They're stuck on my wall like neon paintings, and I'm so tired of being honest to everyone but myself. I do it so well. We were so good at flying, but we can't keep flying. We keep getting stuck on the wrong side of the mountain. We were so good at trying, but we can't keep trying, 'cause we only end up on the wrong side of the mountain. We gave it so many chances. When we saw the signs, we just kept dancing, and the nights always seemed so endless. Thought it would last, now it's in the past. We were so good at